Hello, welcome to Scale English. Today's session is about over and above. What is the difference between over and above and how do we use it? So if you have a problem using over and above correctly, today's session will solve your problem. So let's get ready and start our session today. Over and above both means up, but how to use them properly? We use over when we are thinking something about height. When I look up, I am thinking about the height. I am thinking about vertically. When you are using over, think about height or vertical position upwards. So I can say the plane flew over the house. The plane flew over the house. Another very important thing to keep in mind when we are thinking over, besides vertically, we also have to think that there is a movement, there is an action going on, there is a movement. So it's used with a verb. And we can say fly over, walk over, threw over. So we have to use it with a verb, and there is a case of movement also. So I can say he hit the ball over the boundary. He hit the ball over the boundary. So here it's a case of movement, and when I say the plane flew over the house, I am thinking vertically upwards and I am also thinking about movement. So got it clear? When I say over, I have to think about vertical position and also about movement. So what is the opposite of over? The opposite of over is under. The cat is sitting under the table. So when I am thinking about cat sitting under the table, I am thinking about the height. I am thinking about the height from the table to the ground. Or I can say my legs are under the table. So over, when you are using over, you are thinking about vertical and you are thinking of movement. And the opposite of over is under. Here we are thinking of vertical position but downwards and the height. Okay, so over and under, I think that's clear. Next, how to use above. So when we are using above, we are thinking about horizontal, not vertical. We are thinking about horizontal and something which is spread. So I can say the water is above my waist. I am considering the level. I am not considering the height. I am not considering the height here. The water is above my waist. So try to understand. Here I am telling about the level of the water. Or I can also say the eyes are above my nose. Here I am thinking about position only, and there is no movement. There is no movement at all. Okay, so I can say the water is above my waist, it's a level. Or I can say my eyes are above my nose. It's only refer to position and level and nothing about height. So what is the opposite of above? The opposite of above is below. I can say the water is below my knee. The water is below my knee. Or I can say my chin is below my mouth. So in that case, I am only thinking about position and nothing. So when I am thinking about above, I am thinking about horizontal position and something which is spread. And when I am thinking about below also, I am thinking about horizontal position and position, higher or lower than. Here I am thinking of lower than. I think that is clear. But besides all those things, I have to say one more thing. We prefer over rather than above when we are thinking of number. So I can say there are over 50,000 people in the stadium. I'm thinking about number. So I'm not using above, I'm using over. So there are over 50,000 people in the stadium. Also, in case of measurement or temperature, I think, yes, in case of temperature, also we can say temperature will rise above 50 degrees centigrade as the day progresses, or temperature will rise above 50 when the day progresses. So here I am not using over, but when I am thinking about number, the number of people present in the stadium, I am saying over. And when I am thinking about, measurement or temperature, I am using above. Like temperature will rise above 50 degree as the day progresses. Finally, we also have to keep in mind, sometimes we use both over and above together. So what does that mean, over and above together? Over and above means in addition. We can say police officers go over and above what is expected of them to maintain law and order. What the sentence is I said? I am repeating it once more. Police officers go over and above what is expected of them to maintain law and order in the society. Or another sentence I can say, we will need another 50 teachers over and above what we have in our school. So what I am here telling is, in addition to what is there, we also need something extra. In that case, we use over and above. So I think today's session, which was about over and above, is clear to you. Very simple. When you are using over, you have to think about vertical and you have to think about movement. And when you are using above, you are not movement, you are thinking about position and something which is spread. We are thinking above, we are thinking about horizontal and something which is spread. So I hope today's session, which was about the difference between over and above, was clear to you, and I am sure if you listened or watch this video more than once, I think it will be very clear to you. If you have any suggestion, please put it in the comment section below. So before I end, I would like to again thank you all my viewers who are spending time on this channel, and those who are new to my channel. I'm very grateful that you have watched this session and you have spent this time with me. But before you leave, please don't forget to put your likes, to put your shares, and share it with your friends so that they also get the benefit. And the most important thing is that you have to subscribe to the channel to get, and also click the notification bell so that whenever I upload my next video, you will get the information. So until next time, all my subscribers, all my friends, all my students who are out there watching my session, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, giving your time. Until next time, until next session, go on working with your English. I hope you will be fine until then, and we'll meet again soon. Goodbye from Scale English.